man in net, a new jersey on his back. The new Bison season getting underway with a pre-season challenge against the Milton Keynes Lightning. Neither side were giving an inch, with René Yarlin and Joe Ram becoming the best of friends behind the play in the feisty opening 20. So much so that Kieran Long and Grant McPherson decided it had been a long summer without a hug, the pair kind of dropping the mitts without too much damage being done. Soon the chances began to fall the Bison way, Sean Thompson combining well with Joe Greener to create the opportunity. Dean Skins waving the shot by as it hit the crossbar and out of play. And then Rand had the chance to stretch his legs with a one-on-one break. Goalless it remained at the end of the first. As the second commenced, the Herd would continue to find themselves in the ascendancy. Skins equal to the task against his former teammates though. The deadlock would be broken soon after, and perhaps from a player few would have had in the first goal scorer of the year sweepstake. Stuart Philip Pearson Mogg's effort from the blue line finding its way into the back of the net, capping another impressive display on defence. Our Bison TV replay showing how it made its way into the back of the net. You want to be the sponsor of Bison TV? Get in touch with the club now for a highlight of an opportunity. However, MK would have a response before the period was out, and despite a summer of rebuilding, it was one of their familiar names who did the damage, Lee Jameson netting by the finest of margins to bring the scores level. But before Babby could finish announcing that goal, Bison restored their advantage. Long working the puck in deep, with JJ Pitchley beating his man deep in the back end, and 89 did the rest, put the Herd one in front with 20 to play. Ooh, pretty new Zamboni, or as our lawyers have asked us to say, ice resurfacing machine. But even that couldn't cut the ice as smooth as Lewis Hook in the third period. The highly talented MK player getting his first of the night early on, with our replay showing the finesse of the finish. Again though, the Herd had a response, and perhaps one of the most pleasing. Some good work in deep ended with a feed from Thomas Karpov, and Ryan Watt netting his first goal since returning to the club midway through last season. But it appears MK aren't going to go quietly this season. Making the most of a turnover, Bobby Chamberlain got the break. His initial shot may have been saved, but the trickle through found no one else but Hook to net his second and bring the game level again. Now, it may only be pre-season, but the Bison already have been working on their plays for the campaign ahead, it appears, immediately taking advantage of a power play opportunity. Rand with the draw win to Mogg across the bed, back to Rand, 4-3. Bison once again proving themselves great at tic-tac-toe, this time on the ice. However, the game was a long way from being sorted, especially with Hook on a personal mission, getting himself a bit of open ice to score the fourth, and his third on the night to cap a great performance and bring the scores level. you think it's over, do you, with less than a minute to play? I think this season's Bison may have different ideas, and no, your eyes aren't deceiving you. This is a different goal. Log to bed, to Rand again, the same result, a goal that brings the Basingstoke Arena to its feet, with one win now already in the books.